Hey everybody, Dan here with Thin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Springfield XD-M Elite OSP optical sight pistol, full-size handgun. This thing really is amazing, so let's do it. The Springfield Armory XD-M Elite OSP is an incredible handgun. It is feature loaded for a full-size handgun. This thing has everything that one would want with a awesome handgun. It's one of my favorites, let's just say that. Now, they make this currently with a 4.5 inch barrel. This has the threaded barrel. If the extension of the barrel, the muzzle ended right at the end of the slide, that would be the 4.5 inch barrel, and that is what is currently in production. For some reason, they discontinued the threaded model. So keep that in mind as we roll through this review. But I love the way this shoots. It's the whole package. Let's start with the magazines. It ships with two 22 round mags. That is awesome. And they have this flared mag well. Now, it's removable, but I see no need to remove it. It doesn't interfere with the grip. It helps with quick mag insertions. It's great. And so I like that. It also has a grip safety. Now, people have their opinions about a grip safety. They say they don't like it, but 1911s have grip safeties. What do? It forces a high grip on the pistol, which is where you want your grip to be anyhow. So I don't see a downside to that. Has a couple additional back straps. The texturing is really nice. It's not overly aggressive, and it's ambidextrous. So you look at the slide stop and the magazine release. We'll find it on both sides of the pistol, making it fully left-handed friendly. It is optic ready, OSP optical sight pistol, and it is cut to fit a Vortex Venom, Vortex Defender, Vortex Viper, just the Vortex models, many other footprints there. And also you'll notice very tall sights. Look at how tall that front sight is and the rear sight, which is serrated black. So you can co-witness your red dot. I typically don't do that, but it sure helps with sighting in your red dot if you go with that. If you don't, you have a clear picture right through those tall sights if you don't go with an optic. But I find most people are going with optics. Now, this is available in black and flat dark earth. The flat dark earth is Cerakoted, and I think it looks super cool. It has very wide serrations. The slide serrations are very wide, and that is one of the things they changed with the XD-M Elite models, as well as the grip and the higher capacity mags. But they also have what they call a meta trigger, match enhanced trigger assembly. It's a flat face trigger, and when you pull this, it's 4.5 pounds. Listen to this. It's the second click is the reset, so you can't get confused. There's a click there, nothing. I go to the second click, and that is the reset. But it remains very short reset. I love this thing. Excellent shooting handgun. Springfield XD models, XD-M models are known for having a cock striker indicator. All right, it'll let you know if your slide has been charged. That'll stick out. You can feel it. You can see it from the side. You can see it in the back. It also has a raised bar loaded chamber indicator right there. Really won't matter too much. And many people say your loaded chamber indicator is in your brain, and that is true as well. But it's a great handgun, functions perfectly. I have had zero issues with it. I ran it suppressed, I ran it unsuppressed, and this thing has performed phenomenally well. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of that footage. Let's go ahead and take a look at the internals. We'll lock the slide back, move this lever upward, drop the slide, and off comes the slide from the frame. Polymer frame, Nice color. The black is cool as well. And here we have a dual captive recoil spring, steel guide rod, and in this case, the 5.3 inch threaded barrel, but like I mentioned, the 4.5 inch barrel is what is currently in production. So it's an easy disassemble and reassemble. Not much to dislike with this handgun, if anything at all, because it really is a shooter. And if you're into full-size handguns, you will love this thing. The grip texturing is very nice. It's ambidextrous. It's optic ready. It has tall sights. It shoots like a dream. Has a 3-slot pick rail right there. Undercut in the trigger guard. A little bit of texturing in front. The meta trigger. It's phenomenal. And I can't say enough about it, to be honest with you. It's just a great shooting handgun with two 22-round magazines, and Springfield got it done with the XD-M Elite models, and then they came out with the Echelon models, and boy, oh boy, they are really killing it in the polymer frame striker fire 9mm space, and I just think this thing is great. Also available in 10mm. And some smaller sizes, you know, the XD-M Elite line, but this is my favorite. It's full size, it gets the job done, and it sure does shoot incredibly well. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.